everyone, my name is Lexi. I'm a naturalist with Baltimore Woods Nature Center in Marcellus, New York. For this week's Animal of the Week, I chose the groundhog. Groundhogs hibernate all winter long, so once they emerge in the spring, they are hungry and looking for mates. Groundhogs will also molt around this time of year in order to shed the thick coat that kept them warm while sleeping. This groundhog appears to be gathering bedding material for the den, so I would guess it is a female. She will have 4 to 6 pups that stay with her for several months before moving on to find their own space to live. Groundhogs build extensive tunnel systems underground that have separate rooms and multiple entrances. They can weigh about 13 pounds and feed on all kinds of different plants. Though typically seen on the ground, groundhogs can actually climb trees and swim. April showers don't just bring Mayflowers, they also bring babies. Spring is a beautiful time of year for so many reasons. Make sure you get outside to enjoy it. Thank you for joining me for this week's Animal of the Week. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about groundhogs. If you like this video and want to see more, check out our social media or visit baltimorewoods.org. See you next time.